For part B, I want to go ahead and decide dash, solid, or how to shade. So this is less than or equal to. Because it has the equal to, this will be a solid line. Less than means that you shade down. But in this problem here, we need to put this in a slope-intercept form first. So I need to subtract my 3x and get negative 2y less than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. I divide everything by negative 2. So y, if I divide by a negative in an inequality, I need to flip the inequality. So greater than or equal to, a negative divided by negative is a positive, and I keep it 3/2 x. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. So greater than or equal to means that it will be a solid line, and I would shade above. So for the first equation right here, we start at 6. We're going to go down 1, right 3. Down 1, right 3. Then we need to graph that with a solid line. Then it says that we have to shade down. So shading down means I would go straight down from the starting point. Okay, so this side is what would be shaded. But you have to think that this entire section is the part, this whole section is what's being shaded. Okay, so you have to pretend all of this is orange right now. Okay? Then we graph the second one. So starting at negative 2, we go up 3, right 2, and then down 3, left 2. And we have to shade, or we have to draw a solid line again. And it says it is greater. So here's the starting point. Greater means going up. So this side of my line is what I shade. So then the question is where is the overlap? What part is overlapped? And we can see that this section has orange and green in it. This only has orange, this only has green, and so we are going to shade this section the darkest because this is the overlap of both lines. Alright, so just to recap, that this section that I colored brown is your solution, meaning that every single point in this section is an answer or a solution to this linear system of inequalities. For letter C, we need to shade, or we need to have a solid line, and then because this is the X one, you have to shade left or right. So we're going to go to the left because this is less than, and that's pointing to the left. Here, for Y is greater than negative 2, that would be dashed. Greater means shade above. So at the 4 on the x-axis, we're going to draw a line that is solid going up and down. Okay, and the inequality was that less than or equal to, and as you can see, it's pointing this direction. Okay, so we're going to shade this side of the line. But you have to think, like, this whole thing is green. Okay? Secondly, we have Y is greater than negative 2 for a dashed line. So here's negative 2. We draw a dashed line going through there, and dashed, which is greater, okay? So we shade above, and we figure out, okay, where is the overlap? What section do both colors exist in? And that'd have to be this section here. Okay, purple and green have come together in this section. So this is the section that gets shaded the most.